Life begins where fear ends. Darkness is an absence of light. Ego is an absence of awareness. A certain darkness is needed to see the stars. Whatever you feel, you become. It is your responsibility. Remain in the world, act in the world, do whatsoever is needful, and yet remain transcendental, aloof, detached, a lotus flower in the pond. Joy is spiritual. It is different, totally different from pleasure or happiness. It has nothing to do with the outside, with the other. It is an inner phenomenon. Wherever you are afraid, try to explore and you will find death hiding somewhere behind. All fear is of death. Death is the only fear source. Think before you desire a thing. There is every possibility that it will be fulfilled and then you will suffer. Nobody has the power to take two steps together. You can take only one step at a time. To avoid pain, they avoid pleasure. To avoid death, they avoid life. What is discipline? Discipline means creating an order within you. As you are a chaos. Mind, a beautiful servant, a dangerous master. Friendship is the purest love. It is the highest form of love, where nothing is asked for, no condition, where one simply enjoys giving. Drop the idea of becoming someone because you are already a masterpiece. You cannot be improved. You have only to come to it, to know it, to realize it. A little foolishness enough to enjoy life, and a little wisdom to avoid the errors that will do. When I say be creative, I don't mean that you should all go and become great painters and great poets. I simply mean let your life be a painting, let your life be a poem. Commit as many mistakes as possible, remembering only one thing: don't commit the same mistake again, and you will be growing. Intelligence comes from meditation. Intelligence comes from rebellion. Intelligence does not come from memory. The tongue never sleeps. Remember this always. What goes on within the mind comes invariably on the tongue. Your whole idea about yourself is borrowed from those who have no idea of who they are themselves. Love is wild. Its whole beauty is in its wildness. It comes like a breeze with great fragrance, fills your heart, and suddenly, where there was a desert, there is a garden full of flowers. Life is not a problem. To look at it as a problem is to take a wrong step. It is a mystery to be lived, loved, experienced. The real question is not whether life exists after death. The real question is whether you are alive before death. Tomorrow never comes. It is always today.